What if I told you that there's a pair of wireless earbuds in the market that aren't just affordable but also produce pure bass, deliver an insane 16-hour battery life, and offer unparalleled creature comforts? Sounds too good to be true? Well, it's not, because we are talking about the JBL Tune 215 BTs. Apart from the things that I just mentioned, they also boast the JBL DNA, which is the hallmark of audio excellence and innovation. Now it's time to unbox these guys and check out the tech. As promised, let's start with the unboxing. Right off the bat, we are greeted with the pair of JBL Tune 215 BT earbuds, a USB Type-C charging cable, and an instruction leaflet. The first thing that caught my attention is how light they are, and the fact that they come with a tangle-free flat cable, which in my opinion is one of the most important features when it comes to this neckband form factor. Pairing the Tune 215 BTs is very straightforward. You have to turn them on by holding down this big middle button on the remote until you see the lights flashing, and then check your smartphone's Bluetooth menu for new devices. And it appears right there. It's that easy. All you have to do now is plug them in your ears if you haven't already and just immerse yourself in the experience. Now for the PS de resistance, sound quality. The Tune 215 BTs are equipped with 12.5mm high-end dynamic drivers powered by JBL's signature pure bass sound. Because of the size of the drivers, they produce a sound that is crystal clear with pure undistorted bass. The tuning of the Tune 215 BTs is such that you don't lose out on high and mid frequencies either. So you can enjoy a variety of songs with these, be it uplifting party tracks or even some softer acoustic stuff. The versatility is absolutely on point here and is perfect for pure music lovers. On top of that, you also get to make crystal clear calls because of a high quality line-in microphone present on the stock. So it doesn't matter if you have easy access to your smartphone or not, you can do nearly anything and everything from controlling music to taking calls right with your earbuds. Now you can put the best sounding drivers in a pair of earphones, but if they aren't comfortable enough, you are not going to be enjoying them for a long time. But that's not the case with the Tune 215 BTs. Instead of the usual silicone tips, the Tune 215 BTs are earbud style earphones, meaning that they don't go deep inside your ear canal, which a lot of people find very uncomfortable for long stretches of time. The earbuds offer JBL's signature comfort fit and are made out of a material that is soft to touch. They are also ergonomically shaped so that you can listen to music all day long without ever feeling any kind of pain or discomfort. And they don't come off easily either, meaning they are companions for you whether you are working out or going for a run, and even if you're working or studying. Now, while all of this sounds like a pretty sweet deal already, they also come with Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity. Why is that important? Well, for starters, Bluetooth 5.0 sips less battery, so you get more battery life without making the earbuds heavy. Further, you get to connect two devices seamlessly, a feature that I personally love because I work with both Android and iOS smartphones. You also get better range with Bluetooth 5.0, so you can walk around and do your business while your smartphone is being charged, for instance. Speaking of charging, the Tune 215 BTs come with a jumbo battery life of 16 hours. And if that wasn't enough, you also get quick charging functionality, which means you get an hour's worth of playtime by charging these for just 10 minutes. And they can be charged using the bundled USB Type-C cable, which has become a necessity for any gadget these days. Now let's talk about what brings this entire experience to life, the ability to connect to your smartphone's personal assistant. That's right, the Tune 215 BTs support Siri and Google Assistant using the built-in remote. This means you can not only listen to music and take calls, but also do things like set a timer or a reminder, know more about your schedule, and even know if you have traffic on the way to work. And all of this is possible because of JBL's 75 years of legacy in making high quality audio products. And the best part is they are really affordable, and that puts it on the top of its category, be it in any parameter: sound quality, battery life, additional smarts. So if you're on the market to buy a new pair of wireless earphones, you should definitely give the JBL Tune 215 BTs a shot.